Welcome to Port Haywood Cottage. We are renovating this little cottage in Matthews, Virginia. Hope you follow along. Cheers. Alright, so we're just doing a kitchen update. So new floor is in. This was an old lino in here before, so we put the LVT, very durable. Lots of sand that comes in, coming from the beach, and it's just easy clean up. Peninsula is in. This is all new. The cabinets ended there, and that didn't exist, so that's a new cabinet. And it had the first coat of the green on there. 3 bar stools, but we need to strip those. Added the Metro tile, subway tile, backsplash. It's the longer, thin ones, and with the white grout, or the matching grout. I don't like it when you see an alternative colour grout, like the dark grout, because then it looks all cut up. This needs to be replaced so that it's white to match all this. As I say, first coat, so we're going to do another coat on that. Cooker was here when we bought the house. It's fine, and just added the microwave with the hood, the vent hood. It's on right now. It's quiet. It's nice, and just gets rid of any cooking smells. Recessed lighting is in. You could perform surgery in here, but it's put in a calculated way so that you don't get any shadows when you're cooking. New sink is in. Double stainless with a gooseneck fixture, gooseneck tap, and pendant light. Haven't painted the walls or anything yet, so just ignore that. But that's just a rather classic, glass fixture. Dishwasher has been added, and then the plate rack, which is kind of a normal kitchen piece at home, but not so much here in America. But it's just very functional. Oyster tins up there. Floor is the LVT, very durable. And then we found the brass cup hooks. This kind of looked like its own separate piece, like a Devol kitchen, but obviously I don't have the Devol kitchen budget. And then we also added a washer dryer over here, which is really nice. Of course, we don't have a washer dryer. There you go, we're getting there.